Against the pandemic, the city getting ready to roll out Pfizer's COVID vaccine for young children starting tomorrow, now that it's been approved for kids 5 to 11 years old. Some pediatricians on Long Island are already giving out the shots. Jody Goldberg live in Plainview with the details. Jody.
Steve, good evening to you. What does this mean? Well, it means some 28 million kids are now eligible for the vaccine. And here at Allied Physicians Group, we spoke to the doctors who are administering the first dose, and we also spoke to kids who are receiving it. Etta Fisher didn't even flinch.
We're ready to get our vaccine.
The 8-year-old was one of the first in this newest age group of kids 5 to 11 now eligible to get their COVID-19 vaccines.
It's going to help us get out of the pandemic, and it's going to help us be safe again.
For you!
Her 6-year-old brother Arnold also got his first dose.
It didn't hurt.
Their father Robert didn't think twice before making an appointment.
If you come in contact with the virus, you want to have your body prepared to respond to it.
Dr. Adina Geller with Allied Physicians Group is encouraging parents to follow the science and points to studies showing the risk of not vaccinating is far more dangerous than getting the shot.
There are children who have had significant illness, significant consequences from it, and we want to protect them.
Kids ages 5 to 11 will receive 1/3 of the dose authorized for those 12 and older. To avoid confusion, their vaccine is stored in smaller vials with orange caps. The timing of the CDC's approval comes as the holiday season is approaching, and more families will be gathering in large groups indoors. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky assuring parents they've thoroughly reviewed all of the available data before recommending the vaccine.
In clinical trials, vaccination was found to be nearly 91% effective in preventing COVID-19 among children ages 5 to 11. The most common side effect was a sore arm.
Vaccines are available at pediatricians' offices as well as other sites and pharmacies. In New York City, Mayor de Blasio says city-run sites will provide the Pfizer vaccine to this latest age group starting tomorrow, and all schools will be offering it for 1 day beginning next Monday with the proper consent.
We want to make it available and easy for parents who prefer just to go to their local school building.
According to a Kaiser Family Foundation poll, 3 in 10 parents say they will get their child in this latest age group vaccinated immediately, while 2/3 were either reluctant or opposed. As for parents we spoke with,
Just don't think it's a good idea. Big breath and blow.
If you don't think about it, you won't feel a thing.
And now, according to the CDC, while younger kids are far less likely to get severely sick from COVID-19, they are just as likely as adults to catch and spread the disease. That's the latest here in Plainview, Long Island. Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News. Steve?
All right, thanks, Jody. President Biden also weighing in on vaccines for kids, encouraging all parents to get their children vaccinated.
For parents all over this country, this is a day of relief and celebration. After almost 18 months of anxious worrying every time your child had a sniffle or started to cough, well, you can now protect them from this horrible virus. Because
The president says the U.S. has already secured enough vaccines for every child in this age group to receive their first shot.